Introducing the new Senelux glass panel heater. Today we will be showing you how to assemble your Senelux glass panel heater in freestanding mode. With LED touch display, included remote control, freestanding and wall mounted options, and Wi-Fi controls. Contents include one full colour instruction manual and remote control. Four wall mounting L brackets. We will cover wall mounting your Senelux glass panel heater in a future video. One bag of assorted screws and wall plugs. And 4 wheels included to make your glass panel heater fully portable. Once we have the radiator out of the box, it is time to attach the feet or wall mounted L brackets depending on how you want to display your heater. As we are assembling our Senelux glass panel heater in freestanding mode, we will need to attach the feet to the base of the heater. To do this, we will need to use the 8 shorter screws in the assorted screws and wall plugs bag. The longer screws are only used for the wall mounting option. Once we have our screws, it is time to start fixing the feet to the base of the heater. Only 4 screws are needed per foot. Simply repeat the process on the other side to ensure that both feet are attached to the base of the heater. Now we're going to work on attaching the wheels. This optional step will make sure that our heater is portable and able to heat anywhere in our home. Simply take the 4 wheels provided and insert one by one into the holes in the feet. This simple step ensures that our heater is portable and ready to move at a moment's notice. And with that, our heater is ready to move. Now let's talk about the modes. There are 3 modes to choose from when operating your glass panel heater: Eco, Anti-freeze and Comfort. The Senelux glass panel heater also includes a fully customizable timer, as well as a completely adjustable thermostat. Now that we have completely assembled our glass panel heater, our family of heaters at the Senelux headquarters is officially complete. Thank you for watching and happy heating from Senelux.